Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will discuss how you can download ChatGPT for Windows. So let's start. Go to any browser of your choice and type ChatGPT in the search bar. You will find the official website of ChatGPT in the first result. Click on ChatGPT and it will open the website. As you can see on the screen, there is no option to download the ChatGPT app or software. It means you don't have to download any app in order to use ChatGPT. You can simply log in or create a new account from the browser itself and use the features of ChatGPT. For now, let's go to login. As you finish logging in using your credentials, the ChatGPT software will open in the browser. So to make it clear, you don't have to download any app or software in order to use ChatGPT on your Windows. You can simply go to the official website of the software and use it as you like. Well, that's it for the video. I hope you found this helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for further videos.